So once you get this done, once you get your magnetic sensor mounted and you get your temperature sensor mounted, you can mount that anywhere we'd like. I mean, your head temperature, it's going to fluctuate because there's a cooling fan. You know, your flywheel has a cooling fan on it. So the higher the RPM, the cooler your motor's going to run. Hopefully, you know, I mean, if everything's working right. So you've got temperature, your RPM. If you're keeping track of how many miles you've run, I don't know if that's necessarily true, but it looks like I've been driving a lot. So it's roughly about 97 miles. Man, I can't get that to focus. There we go. So, speed, miles per hour. That's on a different type of sensor. There's an optical sensor that this one falls in line with. And this is your transmitter voltage. So we'll go back, and then what you do to get the sensors to display on your initial screen, you can choose the sensors you want to be displayed. So you get your transmitter voltage, you get your receiver pack voltage, get your head temperature, and then you get your motor speed 3. And I believe that goes in sensor port 3 or 4 on the... No, I'm thinking of something else. That had to do with the Super Bee. Never mind. Next to that last statement. I'm getting confused here. Motor speed 3 is the magnetic sensor for your RPM. So once you get that set up, you'll see your transmitter voltage, your battery pack voltage, head temperature, and then your motor RPM. It's super simple to get set up. I had like no trouble. My biggest problem was the magnets that they send with those sensors are about as small as you can get, and they don't work too well. So putting your magnetic sensor about right here, that's your best option in my experience. So hope this helps. Any more questions, post them in the comments section below. You know, it's a cool transmitter. A lot of people look down on the Flysky stuff. You know, it's cheap Chinese crap or whatever. Well, guess what? They're all made in China. So, you know, it's neither here nor there to me. Like I said, I picked this one up on AsiaTees.com for about $100. It was $125 shipped to my door, and I literally got it in 2 days from China. Hell of a lot quicker than the United States Postal Service can get me something from Utah to my door in the middle of the United States. So I think some of our shipping companies could sure learn a few things from some of our international friends. So anyway, peace everybody.